Hello, hello, how are you all?
Hello,
We are fine.
Amazing. I like how this interview started. But congratulations for, India's best.
लड़का हुआ है.
हाँ.
I was, watching the promos of the show and I have loved them so much because it gave me that 90s ka tadka back. The performances, the performers, oh my god. Agar beginning mein they are doing this, I can only imagine what are they going to do, ahead in the season. But, bringing India wala dance back, what was the idea behind that? Acha, to get him on board. Okay.
We just wanted him to come back. How to entice him to get him back on this panel, one that he created, one that he pioneered. So we had to sell him something. सर हम वो वाला डांस लाएंगे जिससे पूरी दुनिया झूम उठेगी वापस. He's like झूठ बोल रहे हो तुम. I said आके देखो एक बार. No, but honestly, I think it was high time. I think dance was going out. It was losing its magic.
It was just the same everywhere. कुछ अलग नयापन नहीं लग रहा था. Because देखिए उतने ही गिनती के कोरियोग्राफर्स हैं.
Correct.
और वो दिख रहा था कि सब सेम कर रहे हैं. तो वो I think it's very smart to realize कि now, move, change, got to do something different. So let's go back where we used to enjoy dance, not be so technical about it. तो हालांकि यहाँ भी technical है एक हद तक, लेकिन it is more about enjoyment, it's about expressiveness, it is about connecting with the viewer, the audience, the watcher. तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं, और वो जो हम अंदाज में एक बार जो किया करते थे, जो 70s, 80s, 90s तक रहा वो, right from शमी कपूर साहब to मिठुंदा to जितेंद्र साहब to later on the Shahrukh and the Amirs, and so वो पूरा, I think the earlier lot, I mean they are still hanging, they are still evolving, which we all are, but वो जो उस वक्त के जो एक, because मीडिया वो हाथ में नहीं आया था.
Correct.
तो आप किसी को ऐसे उठ के गाली नहीं दे सकते थे. कुछ भी नहीं करते. आजकल तो कुछ भी कर रहा है ना. तो उस वक्त वही था कि वही कनेक्ट डांस से हो रहा है, गाने से हो रहा है, रेडियो पे सुन रहे हैं, कभी टीवी पे देख लिया तो देख लिया. OTT भी नहीं था. पर दो ही माध्यम, टीवी पे भी बहुत कम था, बिकॉज एक दो कुछ शोज थे जो आते थे शुरू में. जैसे कि हमारा शो शुरू हुआ था सोनी पे, एंड दैट वाज 96. और उससे पहले की बात क्या था,
कुछ भी नहीं था. There was no
दूरदर्शन
platform.
पे वो एक छाया गीत,
चित्रहार
बाद में पहले छाया गीत था, उसके बाद चित्रहार हुआ, पर एक हफ्ते में एक बार आता था. तो कुछ था ही नहीं, रेडियो था या फिल्म देखें हम. तो वो कनेक्ट समवेयर, आई थिंक उसका इस सीजन में वो फील लाने की कोशिश की.
But sir, after 12 years returning to a dance reality show set, Boogie Woogie ke baad, it has been such a long journey. In these years, was there ever a thought of, bringing the Boogie Woogie only back, or, also trying to judge another show?
No, see, मैं ट्राई करने की बात नहीं होती. there was something I pitched. But again, times अलग होते हैं, evolve होते हैं, चैनल की requirements होती हैं. So it moved and तो मैंने वही बोला कि यार वो इतने अच्छे शो हो रहे हैं, मज़ा आ रहा है, डांसर्स देख रहे हैं, डांस इतना इवॉल्व हो गया, फैंटास्टिक लेवल ऑफ टैलेंट हो गया, मुझे क्यों नहीं बुला रहे हैं. तो it नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. So I was doing what I was doing, but जब ये आया तो I was very happy, and especially being back with the same channel जहाँ से हमारी शुरुआत हुई थी. तो बस गीता भी थी.
Thanks. मैं सोची अब भूल गए मुझे.
Ma'am, you have been judging dance reality shows for 15 years now, if I'm not wrong. 2009 was the...
2008, yes.
So, I want to know that over all these years, how much have dance reality shows changed and also evolved in that matter? Like, he said it's become very technical, but I remember Boogie Woogie mein, they used to sit and eat while, performances were on. So, it was so authentic and candid.
आंटी डब्बा रखा है, क्या है डब्बे में, क्या है? It was that organic.
Yeah. But, when we came, he had already set like this whole... he had already gotten everyone off their seats and said कि अच्छा एक platform create हो सकता है. And I think what they made, we just picked up from there, and then our journey started. So that panel, एक panel पे 3 judges, वो judges के आगे dancers, dancers ka dance. But the only difference is what when we started, we were so raw. We did not know, matlab, sar or pair of what was going to happen, because we were also mentoring them. We were also dancing. We were also judging. We were like, what is going on and what is happening with us? So for us, we also started learning. And today, and the dancers we got were raw, kacha, they had no clue. They were just dancers who used to come and say, dance karte hain. Today, dancers come with full matlab, they have a syllabus with them. They know what they're doing. They know कि कौन सा डांस कर रहे हैं, क्या डांस कर रहे हैं, क्या स्टाइल है. I excel in this, but I also dabble in that. That's how they talk, and it's like it has evolved.
But
They come with a lot of.
change हुआ तो contestants का वो taking feedback.
देखिए फर्क क्या हुआ. मैं जब डांस मैंने शुरू किया था तो कुछ नहीं था, टीवी भी नहीं था. एक वीडियो आ गया, वो VHS का टेप होता था, जो पता नहीं कहाँ से खोज के कोई टॉप ऑफ द पॉप्स कोई देख रहा है. किसी का एक वीडियो दिख गया, फिर उसको समझना, बिकॉज उसमें तो है नहीं पॉज, तो पॉज, फिर एक फ्रेम नहीं, फ्रेम भी नहीं था, वो पॉज किया, फिर ऑन ऑफ. अच्छा ये अभी यहाँ ओके, ऐसे सीखते थे हम लोग यार. अब क्या हो गया, पूरी दुनिया सिमट के इधर आ गई है. तो दुनिया में जो भी मतलब बेस्ट से बेस्ट आप देख के सीख सकते हो, तो जो वो एक्सपैंड हुआ. तो उसमें क्या हो गया ना, द लेवल हैज काइंड ऑफ इट बिकम अ लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड इन अ वे, स्पेशली फॉर फ्री स्टाइल डांसिंग. तो उसमें क्या हो रहा है, आप फ्री स्टाइल डांसर चाइना का हो, रशिया का हो, अमेरिका का हो, इंग्लैंड का हो, इंडिया का हो, दे आर समवेयर देयर बिकॉज दे आर ऑल लर्निंग फ्रॉम ईच अदर. वो हमारे ज़माने में नहीं था. तो विच इज़ फॉर द बेटर, बिकॉज द लेवल ऑफ टैलेंट बहुत ऊंचा हो गया, एंड पीपल आर वर्किंग हार्ड and they want to achieve and they want to come up, because today it's very easy. अरे यार वो तो देगा, इससे अच्छा तो वो है. अब वो है मतलब वो कोरिया का है, वो कहाँ का है. तो यू कान टुडे, आप कुएं के मेंढक नहीं हैं, आप पूरे समंदर में फेंक दिए गए हैं, और आपको समंदर की बड़ी मछली के साथ सामने
काम करने का मौका भी तो मिलता है उनको.
एंड यू हैव टू स्टैंड योर ग्राउंड. तो वो चैलेंज जो है, एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स इन अ वे इट्स वेरी गुड, बिकॉज इट pushes the envelope and the goal post keeps changing, and so it's very
Absolutely. Ma'am, I was reading online that, you were 17 when you started working. You were, and it's all started with assisting Farah Khan, and
I
uske
started
pehle
assisting
background
her,
dancing
yeah.
happened. But, and while people say that, they've always talk about Tujhe Yaad Na Meri Aaye, I think there is also Gori Gori that you were a part of.
professionally started dancing with me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then she went on later to become an assistant.
Then I joined Farah ma'am as a dancer.
Yeah,
Then
so
I left.
from background dancing to joining Farah ma'am, how did that transition and that journey happen?
Nothing actually. Look, I really needed the job. I needed to keep working. I needed the money. Whatever made that happen. So when I got to know that he was looking for a dancer, Lonji, a very renowned choreographer today,
Of Jai Ho fame.
of Jeho fame, at that point in time was dancing with him as well. So he said that he's looking out for a girl if you are interested. So that's how I got recommended to him. So when I was working, it was all about word of mouth. If I did well here, he would say, यार मेरे साथ एक dancer काम करती है, if you'd like, why don't you try her out? So that's how. So I started dancing, and then at one point I got an offer saying that, do you want to choreograph? So from dancing I jumped directly to choreography with Ken Ghosh, because he was doing a lot of videos. After a point I realized
Ken Ghosh actually got to where because you were good looking, so he just
that
called
too.
you.
But then you realize as you're shooting the videos that you don't know the technicalities as much, and you don't know how to really choreograph because you've never worked as an assistant with anyone. So then I went back to Farah ma'am and I said, in 96 when he was doing Boogie Woogie, I joined her back as an assistant. कि थोड़े और पैसे चाहिए मैम, थोड़ा और कुछ कर लो.
I was watching a podcast with Bharti Singh sometime back, and उसमें आपने बोला था कि while she loved you a lot, बहुत डांट भी पड़ी है
वो
आपको.
हर किसी को पड़ती है, whether she loves you or she doesn't love you.
Yeah.
डांट तो पड़ती है.
But now she started vlogging also. How is your equation today with her?
अब
And
तो
are
वो
we
दिलीप
going to
को भी
see you
डांटती है.
also? हाँ, हम आपको भी उनकी vlog पर देखने वाले हैं जल्द.
I already finished my bit with her. बहुत पहले. But look, she hasn't changed over the years.
और फरा की डांट में मेरी डांट में फर्क है ना।
बहुत ज्यादा।
हाँ, वो कलरफुल डांट है उसकी।
वो सब बहुत कम हो गया है अब तो,
हाँ।
लेकिन गुस्सा तेवर वही है।
हम्म।
Then also she was like that only today also she's like, no.
You know, sir, I was again, you know, Google Dev say I was reading somewhere that you were also known as TVdom's first real superstar. You know, back in your V channel days.
Hosting.
Yes.
Yeah. I was not an actor.
हाँ,
I used to host.
You know, still this real
हाँ, उस वक्त नहीं उस वक्त actually I was the highest paid host on TV for a channel V.
Wow.
Okay, ठीक है, तो मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ, मेरी मेन कमाई जो ओरिजिनल टीवी से हुई है यार, ये मैंने घर वर लिया था और जो भी था वो ये सब फिल्म में पैसे कहाँ देते थे। फिल्म में सर वो फिल्म नहीं चली सर, ये छोड़ दो ना अभी इतना है, मतलब ऐसा तो वो भी देखा हमने। और वेल प्रोड्यूसर अच्छे ठीक ठाक, अब वो 15,000 बाकी है, एक तो वैसे ही 30-35,000 में किया, 15 सर वो छोड़ दो ना।
But sir, कभी ऐसे हुआ है that you know because also you were known for your comedy avatars also is why you face a certain stereotype or typecast for a very long time and it was very difficult also to get out.
देखिए शुरू में मैं जब आया था तो this whole thing was the dancing new guy who's brought new kind of dancing. तब उसके बाद जितने भी फिल्म में मेरे रोल थे, मेरे बेडरूम में जो फिल्म में होता था मेरा बेडरूम, उसमें एक माइकल जैक्सन का फोटो होता था। मतलब ये डांसर है, मतलब इट वॉज दैट इन योर फेस। तो उसके बाद फिर जब मैं चैनल वी में आया तो पीपल सॉ द ह्यूमर विच इज़ मी, इट वॉज नॉट अ स्क्रिप्टेड, इट वॉज मी प्रेजेंटिंग। और वो लोगों ने इंडस्ट्री में बहुत पसंद किया कि राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप पीपल, राइट फ्रॉम द बच्चन फैमिली टू महमूद साहब टू धर्म जी टू कॉल, अरे इतना अच्छा किया तुमने, मेरे बारे में बोला। सो टू अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स एंड इट वॉज वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग। तो वहाँ से दे सॉ द फनी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमर विथ रिस्पेक्ट। फिर बूगी आया, फिर वो डांस चलते रहा। फिर कॉमेडी में आई थिंक धमाल इज व्हेन इट हिट द नर्व। उससे पहले सलाम नमस्ते,
सलाम नमस्ते, I was just going to say, हाँ
सलाम नमस्ते, तो वो सडनली पीपल लाइक लव्ड। तो अब वही होता है कि वो पहले माइकल जैक्सन का पोस्टर होता था, फिर सर कुछ फनी करते हैं, हाँ तो अब वो ठीक है। बट देन बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड अभी रिसेंटली आई हैव हैड वेरी डार्क रोल्स आई प्लेड इन द लास्ट 2 years, played villain.
Because I remember Mary Jung was the
Villain
role.
Yeah, he was the kind of little suave, young.
What do you enjoy more,
Cool.
the darker roles or do you want like light-hearted roles?
No,
What do
no,
you
no,
enjoy
no.
doing
No,
more?
I enjoy roles which have meat, and they don't have to be positive or negative. As long as there's meat in it, for an actor to get the range to perform. क्या वो सिंगल वाला बोर हो जाता है कि यू नो एक नोट पे आदमी बात कर रहा है पूरी
Right.
फिल्म में, नहीं इफ यू आर गेटिंग टू प्ले दिस यू नो, सो आई थिंक उसमें मज़ा आता है। वो हर बार नहीं मिलते हैं। बट धमाल वॉज नॉट एन ईजी, लॉट ऑफ पीपल फील कि इट्स सो इजी, नो there's nothing of me in that, there's nothing of me in that. Right from the way I'm walking
Yes.
to the way I'm talking, my voice changes, my tonality, the structuring, syntax changes, and everything. There's nothing of me in that. So, लगता है easy है, but it's not. If you look at it, there's nothing of me in that. So, बाकी फिर सलाम नमस्ते भी था, वो भी कुछ मैडनेस थी उसमें काफ़ी। तो बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड जहाँ मौका मिलता है तो लगा
It's a
देते हैं।
treasure box of information. I'm telling you, on this show, it is such a joy to have him because there is so much that is going to come out, and I'm so happy that there's going to be information on dance, on film, on people, personalities. He's got it all there. He's a
We
treasure
have great
chest. I'm
conversation.
so happy.
Experience of more than 4 decades coming on.
Yes, absolutely. I think people have really missed him on screen.
4
I'm happy
decades.
that
How
India's
decadent we have become.
you are decadent, sir. Delicious and decadent also.
Also, ma'am, you know, Sheila Ki Jawani remains to be one very iconic song that, you know, you have choreographed. And I want to know, I was reading one of the articles where, you know, Farah Khan had said that, you know, it was a song made on a very less budget and there were just 10 dancers on the set and it was done in like 3.5 shifts or something like that. What was your experience of, you know, choreographing?
Pressure. There's no experience. There's only pressure. Because when your boss says that it's my film and it's your song, so it becomes, it's only pressure. You need to, because she is a choreographer.
Right.
तो आप एक कोरियोग्राफर को एक गाना करके दे रहे हो, मतलब यू आर लाइक how do you please a woman that is never happy with her own work? She's never satisfied with it. So it was only pressure for me. I was only working under pressure कि ये step अच्छा है, artist अच्छा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं. And I used to look back for approval and she would be like, अब भी डांट पड़ेगी, अभी. But she was very gracious.
सॉन्ग इतना बड़ा
नहीं लगा था. Honestly नहीं लगा था. But she was very sure. She saw it at rehearsal and she was very sure. And I'm very grateful that she just gave me that opportunity.
Wow. Also, if both of y'all, coming with such rich experiences, if both of y'all have to tell me
Mine is
one of
little
the
less richer, huh?
still, but one toughest decision y'all have had to make in your careers, what would that be?
For me, it was, I think, शुरू में some big director approached me, I won't name that. एक गाना है, and I didn't want to become an item boy, because वो and big film, and and then it's like, अरे हमको ना बोल दिया, वो अलग ट्रिप होता है. People have their own, मैंने तो ऑफर किया था, अरे भाई, I didn't want to become just a dancer guy. I am an actor. As an actor आया था इंडस्ट्री में, not as a dancer. When I entered only, I came as a villain. I was an actor. तो वो क्लियर था. तो अब वो अगर आप ऑलरेडी एक स्टारडम के उरूज पे पहुंच चुके हैं, जैसे कि आज शाहरुख हैं, सलमान, वो एक फिल्म में आके डांस करेंगे, नोबडी विल गोइंग टू क्वेश्चन बिकॉज दे एस्टैब्लिश. द मोमेंट अगर आप एस्टैब्लिश हो रहे हैं कि आपका स्लॉट एक बना नहीं है, तो आप अगर वो गाना हिट हो गया, फिर 15 गाने आएंगे आपके पास कि सर वो अगर नहीं कह रहे आपने उनका कि हमारा क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो उसमें मुझे नहीं फंसना था. तो उसमें थोड़ा लगता है कि वो नुकसान, बिकॉज ईगोज हर्ट हो जाते हैं बड़े बड़े कि अच्छा हमने तो रिफ्यूज़ किया, तो दे वोंट लुक एट यू एज एन एक्टर ऑल्सो. तो वो हुआ है.
That's difficult.
Yeah.
That is tough.
What about you, ma'am?
Everything is tough only, babe.
But the tough is like what tops the list?
When you need to work, when you've worked for so long, I don't think I've worked with anyone other than Farah ma'am in the industry. So I still find it very difficult to say no. So if she calls me today to go and assist her, I'll say yes. So I don't, that's the only toughest decision that आज मैं नहीं आ सकती क्योंकि मैं, तो I find it difficult to make an excuse with her not to go. So I've always been there. So I think now she only has stopped asking. क्योंकि वो पता है कि I will never say no. That's the only tough thing for me. Otherwise, life has taught me well.
Absolutely. Also, we live today, we live in this age of social media where, we are surrounded by comments, constant scrutiny, everything. As a human being, what is the one fear that you all have today?
I don't fear the internet because I'm not on it much.
Okay. No, not just the internet, but in general in life.
I fear for the new generation. उनको माचिस जलाने नहीं आती. I only fear for them. कि अगर if it comes really, God, I fear कि if it comes to a stage where life does not provide you with the gifts that they have today, no internet, no iPad, no phone, they will not know how to survive a conversation. That is my fear.
No, I'm totally second that. Totally. Very dangerous space where we're heading in. So, like we said, there is the process. Like हजारों साल से वो जो पेड़ उगता है उसका प्रोसेस चेंज नहीं हुआ है. वो बीज जाएगा, वो खाद होगी, वो पानी जाएगा, धूप लगेगी, फिर वो उगेगा उतना. That is the process. That has always been. We are part of that planet and the same creation. Our process has changed. We have no patience to grow. We want to grow immediately. Yes. वो नहीं होता है. वो खाद, वो पानी, वो धूप, वो facing the weather, वो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. We are no different from that tree. I mean, of course, in a different, symbolically I'm saying that we are part of the same planet and the creation. But we are not learning, that there are certain things which are basic. और वो basic चीज़ें जो है ना, which is patience is a very important element. The process of growth, कि भाई, I have to learn. I need that time. टाइम चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी भी, इट टेक्स 9 months in the womb and then it takes X amount of time till you can yeah, 16, 18, 20, whatever, till you can go face the world. I think as a creation, humans are the only form which take that much time of weaning, of nurturing, of training, of taking care of. No other form of life on this planet is immediate. वो डियर का बच्चा होगा, निकले टोंग से गिरा एंड टुक 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 चलेगा, भैया शेर सामने खड़ा है, बॉस फेस द वर्ल्ड. यहाँ तो इतना प्रोटेक्टिव होता है, सब कुछ माँ बाप ये वो, एंड येट टुडे दे डोंट हैव दैट पेशेंस.
India's best dancer will teach them, sir.
हाँ, तो वो कोशिश तो हम करते हैं, जो
हाँ.
थोड़ा बहुत बोल सकते हैं कुछ हमारे.
Bring them back to basic.
So wish you all the very best for it. And so before we go, I also wanted to know if you can share, is there any update on Dhamal 4?
Yeah, it's releasing, I think, by July sometime.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay!
Amazing.
Happiness. He doesn't remember, but his first Dhamal title track, I was there as the choreographer. And we are going to take you back to that song and I will make you see it.
Amazing.
See, he doesn't remember. I was a choreographer on that
अरे
title track.
हाँ, right. Mhm.
See, one more thing we have to